The fourth nakshatra Rohini runs from 10 degrees to 23 degree 20 minutes in the sign Taurus. Ruled by Venus, the sun Taurus, represented as bull, and the nakshatra, the constellation Rohini, is ruled by moon, is very important nakshatra in the Vedic philosophy. As the moon goes exalted in the sign Taurus, Rohini is the nakshatra, the constellation. Out of the 27 nakshatras, the moon loved the most Rohini. But Lord Brahma cursed him so that he can follow the law of nature, and moon goes sick when remains in Rohini. Moon and the Venus combination is considered as very auspicious. Your mind trying to get away from the worldly affairs, but mind flies like an air more than the speed of the air, so difficult to bound. It consists of 5 stars above the horns of the bull, sometimes considered as the red eye of the bull, the most shining constellation in the whole zodiac. As it runs from 10 degrees to 13 degree 20 minutes in the sign Taurus, bullseye, it is human. Sometimes it is considered as the banyan tree also in the south of India. Primary motivation is salvation. Animal equated with the male Taurans are serpent, beautiful, poisonous, doesn't go straight, enters somebody's home. The directional strength is east. The vowels or the vibrations coming are O, Va, Vi, Vo, and the ruling deity is Lord Brahma. They do whatever the other people wish or good for the society. Beautiful people, good looking, charming, normally into business, hard working. Fashion is also one of their line. Good clothes, sumptuous atmosphere like 5-star hotels. In the first part of the Rohini, the people are thin but beautiful, like a goat's stomach. It's all very thin but good eaters, always eating, good marketing personals. In the second part, prominent nose, very aggressive from inside, keeps the poison of the world inside, doesn't spill out. Very fair complexion, loves others, but jealousy and enmity they keep inside. The third part, beautiful eyes, beautiful face, charming people, attractive, but lungs very weak. Inside, body systems are very weak. They suffer from tuberculosis, cancer, and other diseases in the later half of life. Born in the fourth part of this nakshatra, the people are devoid of their family comforts sometimes. But if they take care, I think they can live with them. But mostly go saint because of the moon and Venus combination and the sign Taurus. The bull, when retires, doesn't take interest in anything.